Hey everybody, this is Mr. Ling, and I just wanted to go over this assignment really quick. I've got a few people that have turned in the heart rate worksheet assignment, and um, pretty much all of the ones I've seen so far, it looks like the measurements of beats per minute is a little off. So I just wanted to make sure people were going to the right place and doing it properly. So let's just do this really quick here. So in this assignment, it says to complete part 1 of the heart rate worksheet in the activity tab for lesson 7. So let's go into lesson 7 here, heart and exercise. And we're going to skip over to the activity tab right there. And it said to do part 1. All right, so we're going to listen and watch for the heartbeats. Make sure my volume's up here. Listen and watch for the heartbeats of these people while doing different physical activities. So let's do that. And then record on the heart rate worksheet, which pull this up. And there it is right there. So you can just cut and paste that into a new Google Doc and record your beats per minute. All right, but I wanted to show you this little graphic here because this is where you're going to listen. And I don't know if some of you are actually just dancing around your house and then calculating your own heartbeat, but I think for the purpose of this exercise, they want you to use these that are already here. So if you just click on the picture, let's do this first one, dancing. And turn on my volume here. If you guys can hear that. Good. All right, so I'm going to time that. And to do a quick count, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. You can time it for either 10 seconds or you can time it for 15 seconds. I'm going to do it for 10 seconds here. So I'm going to get my stopwatch going here. And you can count with me. Reset that, and we're going to count for 10 seconds. All right, so go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that was 10 seconds. So 15 beats. Let me turn that off now. Stop. 15 beats in 10 seconds. There we go. So let's look at how we would calculate that. So we've got, we counted 15 beats, right, in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Now, we know in a minute there are how many seconds? So 1 minute equals how many minutes? 60 seconds, right? 60 seconds. And we've got 10 of those seconds right there. So if we've got 10 of those 60 seconds, there's 15 beats in those 10 seconds that we counted. But we want to know how many beats in 60 seconds, right? All right. And the easy way to figure that out is if you just take what you counted in 10 seconds. We know to get from here, from 10 to 60, we'd have to multiply 10 how many times? We'd have to multiply that. I'm going to use a different color here. We have to multiply that by times 6 to get 60, right? So in order to find out our beats, we got to do the same thing. We're going to multiply that by 60. And we get our number of beats. So if we take our 15 beats, I'm sorry, not 60. Mr. Ling, what am I thinking? Where's my eraser? There we go. 6. There we go. So, again, 15 times 6 is just, ooh, my pen got really big. 15 times 6 equals, 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So we've got 90 beats per minute. Hope that makes sense. So you'll go back into your, go back in here to the assignment, and you'll just go back up to your worksheet, and you'll put in their heart rate during dancing, 90 beats per minute. And I'm seeing some different numbers. I'm seeing 60 something for the dancing. So just make sure you're counting right and make sure you're doing the calculation right. But just to tell you, if you count for 10 seconds, However many beats you count in 10 seconds, just multiply that times 6. And if you count for 15 seconds, a little longer, a little more accurate, 15 seconds, you'll multiply that by 4. And if you do the math, you'll get the same thing that I got before, so you'll know what I'm talking about. All right, if you have any questions on that, please let me know.